Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Kwikset Pinning Kit, part number KWK-115 by Specialty Products. Like all Specialty Products pinning kits, they come in these really nice heavy-duty metal cases that have a handle for you to grab from job site to job site, and also two nice clamps here that really hold this kit down tight. So if it were to be dropped on the ground, which I've done before, it's going to stay together. Let me open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so up here on the lid you'll see, you can kind of see it's a little puffy looking, and that's because there's foam behind here that's going to push down on top of this pin case here and make sure that the pins aren't going to transfer from bin to bin. You also see here it's really nice and staggered, all the pins. And if you look up here at the chart, you'll see that it comes with master number 1 through number 6, top pin number 1 and 2, and then bottom pins number 1 through 7, including some springs. Now, if you look here at the pins, you'll see that they're color-coded. So these are color-coded to Kwikset specs, and they're literally identical. So the number 7 bottom pin right here is purple. The Kwikset OEM pin is going to be purple as well. Now it comes with 100 pieces of each size, and if you look here, you're going to see there's plenty of room to add. It's really nice to have a pinning kit that when you buy a bag of 100 pins to add to your kit, that you can dump the whole bag inside the chamber here and not have to keep a little bag off to the side somewhere. So that's a really nice feature. You'll also see that there's a spot right here that you can put some of your rekeying tools like your followers. And if you want, you can always pick up this tray and you have a lot of extra storage underneath it there. Now this is the Kwikset Pinning Kit by Specialty Products. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.